can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin.
Hi, Mama. Happy 60th birthday to you. It's been 6 decades, but you still look so young for your age. First of all, I wanted to let you know how grateful I am to have you as my mother. You have always been there for me whenever I needed someone to talk to about everything. You have been through a lot in your life, yet your heart is as golden as ever. Sobrang maunawain, mapagpatawad, at mapagmahal. You have always shielded me to every hurdle that comes my way. So thank you, Mama, for being and for always being there for me. I hope in the nearest future, we can give back to you and Papa all your sacrifices and provide a peaceful, loving, and comfortable life that we have always dreamed of. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday, and I hope your wishes all come true.
Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now
Hi
it
Ma,
shines
happy
like
60th
strands of
birthday po. Welcome to senior citizenship.
countless ocean
May your life be as beautiful as ours. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo ninyo sa amin. Mapalaki kaming ganito. Maraming salamat din po at sa may ninyong napagtapos kaming tatlong pagkakaparang namin lahat ng buhay namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, Ama. Mahal po namin kayo.
beautiful each day. Every woman has a history, like a priceless work of art, a patina that will never fade away. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what
Ipinagpapasalamat ko sa Panginoong Diyos na nakasapit ka sa ika-6 na taon ng iyong buhay.
forming freckles on your face.
Nais kong malaman mo, lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa pagmamahal at walang sawang pag-aruga at pag-unawa sa amin. Aming hiling lamang ay lalo ka pang bigyan ng Panginoon ng masiglang pangangatawan upang masaksihan mo pa ang aming mga pagpupunyagi sa buhay. Maligayang kaarawan po, Mama Susan. Para sa iyo ang araw na ito. Mahal,